Is it recording? Okay. Hey everybody, and you guys are just this. Okay. So holding? No. I guess you just have to hold on this tissue box. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for a minute. Okay, guys. Hi guys. I need that pen down because I did not eat Pop-Tarts there. Anyways, so today I'm going to be doing the slimes I made to the slimes my friends made. So I made these two. I made this one and it turned out foul, but then I had lotion. It's good. I made this one 4 days ago. So next one, my friend made this one. Lucy made this one. And my other friend, Nevaeh made that one. So let's get started. You're not going to be showing my face because I don't want that. Thank you very much. I need to get comfortable over here. Okay. Good. So first I'm going to do mine and we're going to go back and forth. This, I actually got this container from this one and switched because this one's 10 times a little bit stickier. That one's like rough. My dog's right next to my feet. I'm scared. Okay, first. Try to get it all. Ow. This one is I made. It's like really bright, so you can't really see. It's blue though. I swear it's blue. Let me see if I can show you. You see it? The blue. Oh no, it's brighter. What the heck? So now it's blue. This is the one I made, and I personally think mine's better. No offense, but I just think mine's better. This one's stretchy. It's not sticky. Ow. This can is really bugging me. Thanks. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, next one I'm doing the one that my friend made me. So I can put this back into the container without struggling. Ow, I just hit my elbow. So we're gonna do this strawberry jam one. I really can't get it out. I don't like this one. I do. It's like really buttery and soft. Then there's a lemon you can stretch. Ready? Wait. It's just weird. Oh, my dog's biting at my foot. Okay. Let's put that back in its baggie. Okay, next we'll do my personal favorite that I use. Thanks, Cassie. There's stuck on the table. Okay, so let's get is it coming out? No, it's taking forever, so let's just take it out. Oh, it's sticky a little bit. So I put like a little bit of lotion in this one. It's blue. Do you see it? Ow. You see it now? I'm struggling to show you that very stretchy, softer than the one my friend made. Like so soft. Oh, sorry, you're not even. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Oh, this one's a little bit sticky though. Next is the one my friend Nevaeh made. Oh, good. And actually, she made this one at my house with my dad and my mom's money. So, it was mine, but she made it for me. so like, trying to stretch. Comment down below which one you like the best. And this one's also blue. Blue. It's just because you guys are right next to the window. I'm watching TV. Those are the tissues I'm using that on. These are right next to the window. Ready? It makes the most awesome noise. Listen. It's not sticky. Sorry. Vote. Is it my friends better than mine? Or mine? So this is mine. And this is my friends. But I'm going to be posting another video, so go check that out after I update this one, update it, and do all that big stuff, and then I'll repost because I have to do 11 minutes with me. I'm starting a new series on 11 minutes with me every day. So I'm so excited. I'm listening for 11 minutes every single day of my life. Let's go. Peace.